The delete browsing data on quiet feature not working on the Firefox app. If your browsing history, cookies, cache, or the other data isn't being cleared when you close Firefox. In this video I will show you how to fix delete browsing data on quiet on Firefox app. The first thing you have to do is to go to Firefox. Then here in this page you will go to above and you will tap on these three dots. Here in this page you will enter to settings. After that, here in this page of settings you will find this window of delete browsing data on quiet, and then here you click in this feature to enable it and to fix it. So please don't forget to press the bell icon, subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.